Hey guys, today I will talk about the US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. I will talk about the major demand zone. Taking out this zone should open the door for a larger downside movement, and on the contrary, on the other hand, a bullish pattern inside of this demand zone should bring us maybe new long opportunities. So here is the disclaimer. Please read it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can like this video, you can comment, you can share it, and also don't forget to hit the link below this video if you want to join the VIP groups. So let's take a look. US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. Massive sell-off today again, and also in the last hours. The US dollar losing more ground versus rivals after the US unemployment claims. The economic indicator came in worse than expected, 261,000. Okay, in the previous week versus 236,000 expected, and also versus 233,000 in the previous reporting period. Also, final wholesale inventories, as you can see here, worse than expected as well, only a 0.1% drop versus 0.2 expected. And yeah, unfortunately the US dollar crashed. The DXY. Let's take a look on the DXY. The DXY extended its sell-off, ignored the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork, the former lows, and yeah, it could maybe approach and reach, of course, if it will also drop and close below the former low here, below 103.38, it could extend its sell-off and it could reach this demand zone. So a potential deeper drop here should force the US dollar to lose more ground, to depreciate versus rivals, but staying here above 103.38 to retest or to register only false breakdowns may signal a potential bullish momentum, and a potential new bullish momentum here should force the US dollar to appreciate. So let's go back. US dollar, Singapore dollar. US dollar, Singapore dollar. So personally, I will keep an eye on this level, yeah, 1.3427. Okay, because this represents a key downside obstacle, and you can see that the price rallied after reaching maybe this zone. Right now, yeah, it has dropped it. It has dropped below the former low. It could approach and reach maybe also, and it could hit the former low, and also 1.3427 key downside obstacle. And in my opinion, only retesting here false breakdowns, and false breakdown with great separation, and the bullish pattern here could signal a potential rebound, a potential new leg higher, a potential new rally here in the short term after its massive sell-off. Okay, and as I've said, only taking out, dropping, closing, and stabilizing below 1.3427 may open the door for a potential deeper drop towards the former lows, toward the former low, or it could open the door for a potential larger downside movement towards this zone. Okay, but right now it's premature to talk about larger downside movement, because as long as it stays above the immediate support levels, we'll have to wait to see how the price will react. And as I've said, false breakdowns here, and retests. Okay, false breakdowns, great separation, retest. A bullish pattern could signal a potential rebound after its massive sell-off. But this scenario could take shape only if the dollar index will rebound as well, because dropping, closing, and stabilizing here below this level could signal and could open the door for a potential for a potential deeper drop and downside continuation. But don't forget that also, if the price will drop and close below this level, it could also rebound. It could come back higher to retest supply zones or resistance levels before extending its sell off. Okay guys, read disclaimer here, please read it, and YouTube, please subscribe. Yeah, thank you guys, bye bye.